How to screen share on TikTok live stream. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can screen share on TikTok live stream. So without further delay, let's get started with our video. First of all, open up TikTok in your device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. After that, if you're eligible to go TikTok live, or if your TikTok account has the criteria to go to TikTok live, tap on the plus icon from the bottom of this interface. So once you're here, you can navigate to the bottom of this interface and there is post templates, and if you keep on looking to your right, there you will have an option to go live if you're eligible to go live in your TikTok account. So from there, tap on live. So once you tap on live, you have to go to mobile gaming because TikTok screen sharing feature is currently only available via mobile gaming category. So you have to tap on mobile gaming. Now this will enable you to share your screen during the live stream. You can tap on go live and TikTok will prompt you to screen recording or sharing. Accept the permission to proceed, then you can customize your live title. Now go live and TikTok will begin broadcasting your mobile screen. And then you can narrate your gameplay or provide commentary to keep your audience engaged. So that's the way to share your screen in TikTok live stream, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.